everyone, my name is Nour Bahgat and I'm in love with teaching cooking classes that are joyful, heartwarming and most of all, that are healthy. I live in beautiful British Columbia in Canada and I'm so thrilled to be with you here at OutSchool. I'm a registered integrative health and nutrition coach and environmentalist. I'm also a former professional athlete. As a member of the International Association of Health Coaches and an ambassador of health and happiness, I love sharing my cooking experience with all ages, especially kids. I'm also a MasterChef Canada candidate. I made it to top cooks in British Columbia and in the country. Yay! In my free time, I love reading cookbooks, of course, playing with horses and spending time in nature. I have an extensive experience of teaching in various countries and international schools for more than 10 years. I really can't wait to have you in my classes. You will have such an amazing time cooking along with me. I can't wait to see you there.